Okay, Edward, here's my video of my house and my truck. Well, not all of it, but anyway, here's my 2001 F350 truck. And I'll walk back here. Here's my car, the Toyota, and hopefully this thing is going to come out okay, because it's really screwy. Let's see here. Open up the gate. And my barbecue. And this is my backyard. I haven't cleaned it up lately. Pretty much a mess. Those are reels that I've taken off of these reels that I repair for the local electrical supply house. And there's more just junk over there. And now we'll go into the shop, which might look a little bit better. There we go. Alright, here's my Grizzly horizontal bandsaw. And there's my Miller 251 MIG machine. There's my cutting torch and gas welding. And there's my Hypertherm 650, I think, plasma. It'll cut up to 5/8 or sever 3/4. And here's my Miller Syncrowave 200. It's TIG and stick. And there's my workbench full of garbage. And we'll work around. There's a drill press, small one. And there's my bandsaw. I converted it was wood, and I converted it to steel by putting some pulleys and gears and stuff in it. Here's a machine I made for rolling tubes to make those hoops for those reels that I repair. And there's the side of it. There's a tool chest full of junk. There's my radial arm saw buried in all the stuff there. Around here, there's a small table saw, and there's a table full of grinders and stuff. And here's my workbench right now. It's full of stuff. I just got to get cleaned up, but I've been so busy with stuff that I haven't been able to do it yet. So let's see. We'll swing. Oh, here's my what do you call that thing? 10EE Monarch lathe. I used it today, and it really worked out great. I just love that thing. And then if we look up, well, there's my engine lift there. It's got a air hydraulic cylinder, so I can use air, which happens to be up there. That's where my air hose is, and then it's all piped over to the compressor. Let's see here. We'll turn around here. There's my grinder, just an 8-inch jet grinder. And then we'll go over to here. Here's my 11-inch Sheldon lathe, which is, I've had this for quite a while, and I've had to do a lot of work on it, but it works pretty good. There's that, and then up there is where the calculator is and that's my variable frequency drive there, that so I can turn the lathe up and down variable speed. Here's you might be interested in this. This is my my little wheel that I can turn around and grab my tool holders with. Okay, more stuff there. I just gotta clean this place up. There's a bunch of stuff there, some material and junk. I just have a hard time trying to figure out where to put things. And here's my mill. This is an Alliant mill, which used to be CNC. You can see the motor there underneath there, and some pieces that need to be put back on. This is my vise. I wish I had a Kurt vise, because this thing is a pain in the butt to use. Okay, that right there is, down below is my homemade speed control for the motors until I get the CNC stuff going on there. And then there's my Chinese DRO, which works really great. It was very inexpensive, and I'd buy it over again. It's really good. And then we come over to a little hydraulic press I got from a friend. It was his father's. He was a machinist. He passed away a long time ago, and so my friend John brought it to me, and I cleaned it up a little bit, and there's some tools and whatever. There's my compressor. It's a I'll come over here and get a little bit better look of it. It's Quincy, and puts out 175 pounds of pressure, but of course I knock it down to about 120 for a lot of reasons. Okay, and then this stand with all the junk on it is what I call my chuck wagon, because I keep chucks on it, and on the top I have my rotary table, which you can hardly see because it's buried. Let's see, I think there's a chuck on it right now. Yep, there's only one sitting there. That yellow thing there is, I haven't finished it yet. It's a welding positioner, but it just got thrown into, works with everything else. We're almost done with it. And there's some fasteners and miscellaneous junk there. That right there is my welder. This old Lincoln Buzz box I've had since I was 18. So that was like 1964, something like that. So it's old. And there's a sandblaster. Other than that, that's about it in a nutshell. Next time I'll clean it up and you'll see more. Anyway, there's more tools, more junk up on the way there. So I guess that's it. This is almost 10 minutes, so I guess I'll better shut her down. Okay.